Hi, this is Hadas from Canva, and I'm super excited to share with you Canva's newest features and upgrades for 2024. So they call it the work redesigned, but actually we have some exciting new launches, and the number one launch that I want to focus now is, please welcome, Canva Glow Up. What is Canva Glow Up? First of all, a wonderful name, but what is it? Well, to design Canva for work, Canva is redesigning Canva itself. Canva's Glow Up gives you more freedom to create, enhanced on-brand editing, upgraded visual suite. Enjoy clutter-free editing. You can experience more focus with an editor that cuts back on clutter, gives you more space to work, play, and create. So let's see what has changed. First of all, you probably noticed that this big blue banner now does not have the search bar. And I must say that that's a good thing because actually, let me tell you a secret, I never actually used it. When you want to start off with your design, you have two options. You can either click on the Canva suite, which has been upgraded, or you can just go to the Create a Design on your left, which used to be on the right, and then you'll get this pop-up window where you can choose exactly the platform, the media, and the size that you need. Now let's jump over to our editor and see what has changed over there. So I'm just going to pick presentations and let's hop on the editor. Are you ready? As you can see, the white bar has not changed much. We do have a new feature called editing. I will get to that in just a second. We also don't have the white menu, the white bar that we had underneath the blue one, but don't worry, this will pop up. I'll show you exactly when and where. And look at the sidebar. The sidebar that used to be black is now white, and every time that you hover with your mouse over it, it changes the color of the tab. And I'm very grateful, Canva, for doing that. Now let's pick our template. And now once you click on an element, you get the white bar that we used to have as a permanent bar, but now as a floating bar. So it's much neater, it's more delicate, it doesn't take up that much space. Now let's click on edit, and then you can see that all the menus that we knew from the left side are now on the right side. So every time that you click on some kind of tab or some kind of feature, it will pop up on your right. So now let's head over to layouts. And as you can see, I have all these different layouts. And the upgrade is that I can go back to the top and click on my brand kit, and then I can match my style to my brand. So let me just click that, pick my brand icon Canva, and see results. So I have my colors, I have my fonts, I have my brand. Now let's head over to styles. We already know styles where we can find combinations for color palettes and fonts, but I want to show you that you can also go back to design and click these three dots, and you will have right here the apply style to page, and you can shuffle this and Canva will just do the work for you. Super awesome. Now let's talk about enhanced commenting. You can expand or hide comments to maximize your space for design. You can also filter, sort, and see the full comment thread at a glance. Now what I like about this is once you click the comment tab, you can write your comment, and then you have this little pop-up with your logo or photo that indicates who wrote that comment and for which element. Now let's talk about magic design. So let's head over to design and ask Canva to create a presentation about recycling plastic bottles. I get a few options. I will choose the one I like, and I will start editing it. This speeds up my design process. It sparks so much inspiration and boosts my productivity. Now, if we're talking about the Magic Studio, let's head over to Magic Grab, because Magic Grab isn't new. I know what you're thinking. Hey, we know what Magic Grab is, but this has been upgraded and it's super cool. So let me show you what it does. With Magic Grab, you can effortlessly select any element within your photo to move or reposition or even resize it, just like you're editing a Canva template. Let me show you. This is a Pro feature, and I'm just hopping here to remind you that if you want to try out Canva Pro, you can get 30 days for free from me. Now let's get back to Magic Grab. I can choose either a brush or just click, and I'm not going to brush anything. I'm just going to use the click, and then I can choose the model or his laptop or the plant, any plant, or maybe the sofa. So let's pick the model, and I'm going to grab it now. Look at that. Who knew there were pillows behind his bag? Ah, I love it. Okay, now I know what you're thinking. There is something weird going on here, but no problem. We have Canva. We have the Magic Studio, right? So let's head over to Magic Erase and just erase whatever it is that we don't need. So I'm just going to use the brush this time, and I'm going to brush over this weird shadow. And there you go. Now I should be doing a much more specific work here, but never mind. I'm going to edit this later. But you get it, right? Now I want to introduce something new, not upgraded, but super new, blend. You can easily reimagine any photo by creating stunning original compositions like adding a subject to a landscape or swapping out the background. Now I want to show you what I did with a kitchen and a cake. So I picked these two photos, and as you can see, the cake has its own background. But don't worry, because Canva is going to fix everything. So I'm just going to place the cake exactly where I want it to be blended. Can you say blended? Where I want it to be blend. Go up here to edit, and then I'm going to choose the blend option. Now I'm going to click on the second photo. Just hit the shift key. Don't leave it. Click on your second photo and blend away. Now Canva is going to give me 4 options, and some of my options are going to be a little bit different than the original photo, but hey, that's what AI is all about. So I'm going to pick the best cake, and that's it. See, I have it all in one piece. I can resize it, move it, replace it. It's all in one. I love it. Now I want to jump over to the home page because I want to show you something new, but stop for a second and look at this. As you can see, the editor did not entirely close. I have now about 3/4 of my screen, the editor, and then on the left, I have my home screen menu. This is very convenient, and I really like this change. So now I can just open a new doc. So first of all, I'm going to pick a template here. Let's say this thank you don't, and I want to introduce to you. So now what I can do is I can head over to the blue bar and let me introduce this new feature. Now you have the editing feature, but if you click the editing feature, you will find the suggestions, and the suggestions helps you rewrite better your text. For example, if I want my team to track changes, I can just head over to editing, click on suggestions, and then I'm just going to mark the sentence that I want to change, and I'm going to type attending. And as you can see, Canva automatically adds a strike through to helping us make and opens a comment. And in this comment, my team members can see exactly what it is that I was rephrasing. So it's much easier for my team to follow my changes and help me out. And what I can do is click on Magic Switch. I can convert this to a presentation. I can also translate this thank you note. And also I can hit the transform. Now the transform can transform this to anything actually, to a summary, to a blog post, to an outline, executive summary, creative blog. Let's try it out. So I have this presentation outlines. So I have a thank you letter with introduction, content analysis, expressing gratitude, closing remarks, sign off. Oh, wow. Super useful. That's really cute. Now I want to show you another new thing that Canva has added, new highlight blocks and formatting in docs. So let me open this new doc, and what it does is if you want to amplify your message and make it more visually engaging with your audience, then go back to Elements. I'm going to scroll down. Here are the highlight blocks. Click on See All and just pick one. And let's say I want this one with this emoji, and I can repeat that on the rest of my text boxes. One other thing that you have under docs is outlines. Once all your ideas land on the page, you can script the scrolling and use outlines to effortlessly jump to relevant sections. Outlines are automatically created based on the headings and subheadings in your doc. You don't have to do anything. Just scroll down here, click on outlines, and there you have it. So now let's go back to our homepage and let's talk about video. Now there is a very new and exciting feature that I'm super excited about, and I think that works amazing. And that is the enhanced voice. So what does it do? Well, basically, say goodbye to background noise and hello to the power of your voice. Let's say I have this video. I want the wind to go away and just keep it really simple. So all I have to do is click on my video, go up here, click on edit, and then you have it right here, enhance voice. As you can see, this is a pro feature. So you click on enhance voice, it does the work automatically. And now let's listen to the result. Now still under video, I want to introduce video highlights. Video highlights allows you to instantly generate short, snappy clips from your videos without lifting a finger. Let me show you how that's done. So I have this video, click on the trimmer, on the scissors icon, and then you can see the highlights feature. This is also a pro feature. Click on it, Canva will do all the rest for you, and now I will get this video in 3 parts. I can choose which part I want. I can choose them all, or maybe just 1 or 2. Just click them and add the selection to your design. I also want to show you that next to highlights, you have the option of audio trim. As you can see, now I have a 5.5 second video in just a snap. Now let's talk about video mockups. So it's not exactly video editing, but it does have something to do with video. So you all know mockups, but now you can add your logo, your photo, your design to a video one. So let's use my badge, my Verified Expert badge. And now I'm just going to click it, scroll down to mockups, and there you have it, the videos. I'm going to click on see all, and I want to see it on a tote bag. And here you have it. And if you're wondering what this is good for, because these are very short videos, what you can do is, if, for example, you are designing stuff for print on demand, you can use this in your catalogs. It just spices up a little bit your static photos. Now let's go back to the home screen, and I want to show you something about whiteboards. You can clean up your Canva whiteboard in just a click. You can sort your sticky notes by name, color, or topic just instantly. Let me show you how that's done. So I've picked this whiteboard with a lot of sticky notes, and let's say I want to sort it by color. All I have to do is just pick all of the sticky notes, right click, scroll down to sort, and pick whether you like it by topic, color, or name. So let's do this by color. Boom. Let's try by topic. Boom again. Now let's go back to the home screen. I'm just going to click on these three lines that I have at the top left corner. And now I want to talk about workplaces, work kits, and courses. Interesting. Let me introduce to you two new features that you have on the home screen. The first one that I'm going to approach is the Projects tab. When you click on the Projects tab, you will find on the right side a small plus that says Add New. What you can do right here is add a course. Now, what does a course do? I'm glad you asked. You can create and assign engaging courses that your team will love, and you can also track their progress right within Canva. Let me show you exactly how you do that. So let's say I just want to create an onboarding course, a welcome course for my new employees. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to edit the banner. Just going to click on these three dots. And then add all the rest, the description, the activities. You can add more activities if you'd like. You can do so many things within this thing, and then you can go ahead and share it with your team members. To share it, all you have to do is, again, go to the right and invite your team members. Now, once you do that, it doesn't end there. If you want to know how their progress is going on, you can just head over to the Reporting tab. Once you click on that, you can track your team's progress and keep everyone motivated to keep on learning. Now, you can also create work kits, and when I talk about work kits, you have already 4 categories that Canva has taken care of for you. If you are part of marketing, sales, human resources, or creative team, you have work kits within Canva. Let me show you exactly how you reach those. Now what you have to do is go back to the home screen, this time click on templates, and under templates, you'll find the work kits. Under work kits, you can find your category. As I said, at the moment you have 4 of them. So let's take, for example, human resources. I can find here work kits that are dedicated to recruitment. So these work kits allow me to engage with every single employee in my company. So I have recruitment work kits and internal communication, learning and development. So I have team onboarding. So all you have to do is just click on a work kit. It's open for editing. You can change the content. You can add your brand guidelines. You can add pages. You can do whatever you want. Now you have the courses, you have the work kits, and what you can also do is connect your marketing apps to Canva if you're in the marketing field, or your sales apps, or your human resources apps. So you have all these different apps within Canva that make work much easier. Once you connect them in Canva, you can do it all in one place. I think it's incredible. And last but not least, well, not exactly last, but introducing Affinity. So if you haven't heard, Canva has acquired Affinity. Affinity is trusted by more than 3 million creative professionals across the globe. It's an award-winning suite of professional design software that has become a sought-after solution for everything from photo editing to complex graphic and vector design. So all of this goodness is eventually going to show up on Canva in some way. Don't know yet, but stay tuned because a lot of amazing things are going to be added. To redesign work for everyone, Canva needed to design a plan that works for their largest customers. So introducing Canva for Enterprise, which means you get unlimited seats and storage, organizational wide brand management, single sign-on and multi-factor authentication, dedicated services and support, enhanced management and permissions, and automatic provisioning. Thank you so much for being with me. Please make sure that you follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, because I will continue to update you on every single new thing that Canva upgrades or launches. I'll see you all in my next videos. Bye for now.